Assalamu Alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. So in my last video you guys saw that I explained that I was going to attend a trade fair, which has already passed, but I don't know why I'm releasing this video now. So this is me on my way to Maiduguri from Kaduna. When you're traveling from Kaduna to Maiduguri, you're going to pass a lot of city, like big city like Kano, Jigawa, and the rest. So I came home to this. I got this amazing review from my customer who got the wholesale, wholesale humra and wholesale Turaren water and wholesale collector and wholesale Badra deodorant. So this is her explaining everything she got.
Came in these buckets like she said. They came in these buckets, and I transferred them into here. The red collection, the dark brown collection, and these skinny chips. And then I have these beautiful burners. This is lovely. This is so pretty. I love this. This one, yes. This is nice. It's going to go some nice ones. Yep. And this is the deodorant. If you see her, they came in these tubes. All these tubes. I transferred them into here. And this, oh, I haven't even got to play with these babies yet. This is the pink body milk. This is the musk kumra. This is the sandalia. This is the what? I don't know how to pronounce it. But this is the white body milk, but it's not really so good. And this is the Anisha. Look at all that goodness. Oh, I can't wait till I haven't even bust these babies open. But as soon as I finish this, yes I am. And before, look at all that goodness. Okay. Almost done, y'all. So, hey, I got outfits, guys. Ha ha! Can you see? So pretty. Oh, I can't wait to put these babies on. So pretty, look. Ooh, then I have the wrap, the hair wraps to go to them. Yes, baby, yes. That one. Got oil on my hands. Look at this. Oh, gosh. I can't wait to rock these. Ooh, I'ma tear it up. This is so pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'ma slay so hard in this. Can't tell me nothing, boo. Don't worry, I'm gonna hang them up. I have to do this video first. Wait, where are you? There's the wrap to go to that. And then I have this one's dope too, y'all. Woohoo! Ah, yes, baby. Look at this. This hecka pretty. Oh my gosh. I feel like a queen. And this is the. So I'm a little bitty thing. I'm super short, and look. So I'm gonna have it taken up, or I'm gonna work some kind of magic, but. Or I could just wear it like this. Y'all know me. I know how I can tell. I can wear this just as a dress. And then I can wear this with some jeans and some heels. I can rock this multiple ways. So yes, please, yes. And here's the wrap to go to that. All right, y'all, give me a second. Let me put this over here. Put all my goodies right here so y'all can see the rug. Yes, 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 yes. The collection smells so good, y'all. I have to hide them from my boys because they do all of my stuff. This works like magic. All right. Now, do y'all see this rug? It is so pretty. Look. Let's see if I can show you. I'm not going to even put this down until I shampoo my rug. My carpet, I should say. Yes. Oh, I love this thing. This thing is beautiful. Okay, so there it is. Thank you.
Thank you so much for patronizing me and finding my product worthy. So after that, when I arrived before the trade fair, I came to the market to shop some items, some beautiful canisters and some lafaya. I came to check some lafayas and gowns. So this is my lafaya plug, one of my lafaya plug. They have beautiful lafayas.
Make sure you read them to your kids through this Ramadan.
So I sent this
And
package
this
to me
one also came
Sulaiman.
in from Turaren by Aisha. I think these are wardrobe balls she has sent. And what is inside here? Oh, you have removed it?
Then after that, the next day was 2nd of March, and here is me on my way to the venue for the White Friday Trade Fair. I was so bubbly and happy that day. Like, this is my first time exhibiting at the trade fair, and I was so happy with high hopes, and Alhamdulillah, everything ended well. So this is West End. For those of you that know Maiduguri, this is we did the trade fair at El Kanemi Sports Center, and this is 6 a.m. like 6 a.m. You can see how bright and clear everywhere is. And this is my small items. Like, I did not bring a lot of items because I came all the way from Kaduna. I spent my holiday in Kaduna, and this was my table after arranging everything. And this is my first customer for the day. My second customers. And here is me showing just making a video of how people can locate my store at the trade fair. When it's trade fair, you see vendors making this cute amazing videos showing you how to locate them, so that their customers can just come, and then their customers will not find it difficult to locate their store. So this video is very necessary if you are attending a trade fair, if you are exhibiting at a trade fair. You need to make a video like this, so that people that want to even send people to your store, people that cannot make it to your store, with just this video they can send it to their family and friends, and they can just come to your store directly. Like, people came to my store from watching this video that I posted on TikTok and Instagram. So Alhamdulillah, our metallic burners, I think our metallic burners were the ultimate faves in the trade fair. People love the metallic burners. A lot of people don't even know, like, a lot of people did not know a burner like this exists. Like, everybody was just like looking at that burners, and we sold out all the metallic burners and a few items. The bakur, people were just like looking at the bakur and smelling the bakur. And then after, when I started burning the bakur, oh my god, people started coming to my store like, what are you burning, when I showed them the bakur. I was burning pure bliss and the cotton bakur, the cotton bakur and pure bliss, and people loved it. and I sold the Pure Bliss, the one I sent to Mimi Suleiman for the mystery box for the M&N Ramadan souk. I sold out all the Pure Bliss I brought to the trade fair, and I even sold out the ones that are not even Pure Bliss. Like I made some sandalwood balls like last year, and I brought them to this trade fair. So when the Pure Bliss was sold out, people were just buying the sandalwood that I have. So this is the next day. I came with the remaining items, and here is my stall. The first day I did not make a video showing how my stall look like, but then this is the second day. Like you can see, we barely have metallic bonners on our table. We brought this the second day, we brought just 5. The first day we brought 35, and the second day we brought just 5. The first day 30 metallic bonners were sold out. Online I sold like 7 online, and the remaining I sold them at the trade fair. And the same day I think I took 2 home and I sold them too. I sold all. So here is me explaining and making some videos, and these are some of my beautiful customers that came to patronize me at the trade fair here, and we were just having fun here.
Guys, this is my face. Thank you so much for showing up for me. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, my baby. We sold out all our metallic bonners and our oil perfumes, our sprays. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. A lot of you did not come early to grab the free gift, but then alhamdulillah, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Our best seller was the henna stencils. I love it so much. And then we did not get to bring the ones for fingers, but people still got them. Thank you so much. We can't wait to see you guys again. We can't wait to see you guys again at the next trade fair. You can still order for some of our products online, and it will be delivered to you via pack, or even if you want home delivery. I'm so tired as I'm speaking to you.
At the trade fair I tried to grab this beautiful jar, and when I came home it was broken. I did not rest. The next day I had an order, like international order, so I came to the market to shop some items. And same week I made I went to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and after school I in between those days I went to the market to grab some items. And I think on Thursday or Friday I made these duffel balls, which is Farche Turaren for my international client. And these are the items she ordered, and some of these items are gifts. Like she got collectors and the asal, alud, blackwood, duffel balls, hawi, collector, and gold dust, and sandal chips, exclusive Afdal Haya, and Pure Bliss. Some of these items, like I said, were gift. Like some of the humras, I just added some humras for her so that she can try and come back tomorrow for more. So this is the wholesale humras, the white and the sandalia, the lady nude and the sandalia. So after that, the next day I went to shop some oil perfumes in the market for somebody, for a customer. And then I got an order that same day, and these are the items that I sent to Kaduna. So the following day I traveled to Damaturu, and we just came here to chill. And this is my beautiful friend and her sister, my bestie, you know her on this page. Yeah, and this is me. So Damaturu is very beautiful. The people are nice and everything is calm. I like the calm environment. It's not as noisy as Maiduguri is. It's very calm, but at the same time I miss Maiduguri. Like sometimes I just like, wow, the place is nice. Yes. And we came to Cravings, we got some ice cream, and I came back home to this beautiful review from that customer I sent that package to. This is what she sent to me. She was so happy and satisfied. This is what I came up with. I just wanted to like make her happy, and I made this beautiful package because it was Ramadan, so like the package needs to be given. And these are the items she got. She got humra, different. She got Turaren water, gub, halud, hawis, I think kajiji balls, and the rest. I came back from Damaturu. I didn't spend more than 3 days in the Damaturu. I spent 2 days in the Damaturu and I came back home because I had an order that I need to deliver. I have an international order. I have orders that I need to send out to different states in Nigeria because it was Ramadan, beginning of Ramadan. So, and after that I sorted everything. I sent out the ones that I was supposed to send out, and this is my bakur that I brought out of storage, and this is me packing it for my customer that got 1 liter of our bestseller Halud. So Ramadan Mubarak. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. I can't wait to receive your orders. You can keep your orders coming. It is by the corner. We have amazing bakurs and humras for you all to shop, and see you in my next one. Bye.